let's get into our prep push-ups. As I had mentioned, we did push-ups in the recoil, which is preparing us in a very dynamic and more instinctive way to bend and press our arms for the push-ups that Joe will teach us in his contrology, which is the last of the 34 exercises. It is here at the very end of your foundational as well. We're going to turn around on our quadruped position, and our prep push-up is going to start with our what we call lady push-ups or triceps push-ups. Now, gents out there, don't think that because I call it ladies push-ups that you should not be doing it. It is a push-up version, like the other term says, triceps extension push-up. It is a movement that is going to really accentuate the whole body weight as loading on your triceps, on the back of your arms. So anybody who wants to strengthen their upper body, but specifically strengthen the back of their arms and their triceps, this is the version you need to do. So guys, you're going to get just as much out of it, even if I called it ladies push-ups. So your hands are under you, slightly in front, but very slightly in front of your shoulders. And we're going to bend our elbows, kissing the floor with our nose. And like the grasshopper position, we're keeping our elbows as close to our back and waistline as possible. So we're going to come down with our nose between our hands and we're pressing up. One more time. Make sure you're not arching. You're keeping that coccyx elongated. Belly is in and up, lifting. And we kiss the floor with our nose and we press ourselves up. We keep our flat back. So when we do our push-up, it goes straight down, straight back up. Straight down, straight back up. There is no curvature changing or accentuating as we do it. Most people, when they do it, will try to compensate. So when they get to the floor, they're letting go of something, and then they need to use whatever is available to them to get back up there. If you're one of them that can get down but can't get back up, then please only go as low as you can bring yourself back up. So as you are getting down, maybe it stops here and it goes back up. You may not get all the way to the floor, but you are strengthening those arms in that inner spiral and outer spiral that we need for Joe's push-ups. Don't underestimate this tricep extension push-up that you need to have the strength to support your upper body in and with your triceps, so with your arms.